This morning we gather to officially honor the Gabonese Republic and their participation in this exceptional global event. And welcome to the official National Day ceremony of Expo 2020 Dubai.
Permettez-moi à ce titre d'adresser mes vives félicitations aux plus hautes autorités des Émirats arabes unis pour avoir réussi à réunir 192 nations dans ce beau, chaleureux et unique environnement. La journée du Gabon sera également mémorable, d'autant plus qu'elle coïncide avec la célébration de 50 ans de succès des Émirats arabes unis, ce qui figure la qualité extraordinaire de nos relations bilatérales.
Gabon is a French-speaking country located in Central Africa. We are part of a large band of forest that we have in Africa that we call Congo Basin, which is the second lung of the planet after Amazonia. 88% of the territory of our country is covered by forest. 42 different ethnic groups live in this land, and a very unique and authentic tradition and customs that makes them wonderful. If you love, for example, gorillas, there is a national park to go. If you like elephants, there is a national park to visit. If you want to see the amazing landscape that you can observe in Africa, like mountains and savannas and all those places, there is a place to go in Gabon. So you will definitely find what makes you happy if you look for a very original and authentic experience. We definitely help the world to breathe better because the forest of Gabon is responsible to absorbing 140 million of CO2 every year. Preserving the forest of Congo Basin. This is not only something important for our country, but something important for the whole planet. So as an African country, sometimes we don't have the opportunity to tell our story, and talking about climate change, for example, talking about the future of the planet, we have also our solution to put on the table. So that makes me proud. As a young Gabonese girl, I have the opportunity to be a part of this story, to be a part of this changing, to be a part of this huge celebration which is Expo 2020. I don't know if you can imagine, you have like 192 different pavilions here. At the first place, you can have the feeling that we are different, but at the end, we are all the same because we are all working for the same thing. So this is what makes me the most proud. Gabon has also the first economic zone 100% carbon free in the world, and Gabon is the land of the investment opportunity because the government has actually carried out a lot of reform that makes investments easy and really secure in our country.
Under the theme, Creating a Sustainable Future, Gabon highlights the importance of collective effort in tackling climate change. As a country with a wealth of biodiversity, Gabon demonstrates the importance of planet preservation through its nature-inspired pavilion, which encourages visitors to consider the impact of their individual choices and understand the importance of environmental preservation by recreating life in the Gabonese forest. As a prosperous and biodiverse land, Gabon also prides itself on having a rich culture and heritage, which have been skillfully interwoven into the pavilion contour to immerse visitors in a unique experience.
You will first enter in the first area of our pavilion. So we designed this area to give you an overview of our country, who we are, what we are doing, where are we located on the map of Africa. Once you finish with this first area, you will arrive with a perfect, immersive experience in the forest of Africa, in the forest of Gabon. You will also experience the tradition and the culture of Gabon through the mosque. And then you will arrive to the third area of our pavilion, which is the economy area. We have an amazing holographic device which helps you to go through 5 different topics. It's actually what our visitor likes the most. And then you will arrive to the tourism area, which is the most funny area of the pavilion, which is actually a beach with a real sand and some animals in the sand. And you will finish in the cultural area of our pavilion and the shop. Who can be the best ambassador for a country if you don't have like the real citizen of this country? So that's the people that you will meet in this pavilion, and you will have the opportunity to ask them all the questions that you want. You have to visit Gabon Pavilion. So together we can create a sustainable future.
C'est donc conscient de ce potentiel et de notre responsabilité écologique devant l'humanité que le développement de notre pays est basé sur une stratégie de développement durable. En effet, la vision du développement au Gabon se veut verte. L'économie de demain au Gabon est basée sur l'écotourisme qui vous invite à découvrir notre exceptionnel réseau de parcs nationaux terrestres et marins qui regorge d'une incroyable biodiversité, dont certaines des espèces les plus rares de la planète.